In this video, I'm going to explain exactly what social media marketing is and why social media marketing is important to your company. That's right, it's your boy George B. Thomas from Impulse Creative back again with another episode of What Is? Like what you see? Want to learn more? Then make sure you subscribe to the channel and hit that bell as well for instant notifications. Make sure you stick around to the end of this video where I'm going to share 4 ways that you can leverage social media marketing at your company today. So today's topic is social media marketing. And wait, I have a note from my producer Dan. He's saying to not say that social media marketing is sharing pictures of cats and famous quotes. Check, didn't say that. Wait, what? Well, so what is it? What is social media marketing? The basic definition of social media marketing is this: using social media platforms to promote a product, service, business, or personal brand. However, broader terms like digital marketing, content marketing, and inbound marketing typically include social media as one tool in a toolbox of many. Essentially, you're using social media platforms like Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, LinkedIn, Snapchat, and others to help further your marketing efforts. This could include general use, but also paid social media advertising. It could mean posting content exclusively for those social media channels or sharing your website and blog content as well. There are all kinds of ways social media marketing is used by companies in today's digital world, including taunting the competition. That's right, I'm looking at you, Taco Bell and Wendy's. Speaking of that, I'm kind of hungry. A nice fresh taco or juicy warm... Oh, sorry. So why is social media marketing important to your company? Having a solid social media marketing strategy can help keep your brand relevant with the next generation of buyers. And not just younger demographics. Listen, we're all using social media. It's also a way to reach an audience without having to use the old ways of TV ads, billboards, or radio spots. Now, we as brands have direct access to consumers, and they have direct access to us. Just keep that in mind. While it doesn't cost money, it does take time and skills. It also can take tools which may cost money and may influence the budget that you need to do social media marketing at your company. It's also not a matter of finding the youngest person you know who can operate a browser and putting them in charge of your social media strategy. It's an important channel and deserves resources to use it well. How can you use it well for your company? That's what we're gonna get into. You could obviously hire a social media marketing agency or use social media marketing companies with software solutions, but the overall idea here is to understand and use social media marketing in some way for your business. So here are 4 ways you can do just that. Number 1, bring people inside with culture posts. People do business with people they get to know, like, and trust. You know this, and it totally makes sense. So what if you use social media marketing to showcase the people in your business? Heck, maybe your team took part in a charity bowling tournament. That's awesome. Show it on social. Or maybe your employees love their pets and would show them off with a weekly share. Cool, show them off. Using social media to show your company and team's personality can help humanize your brand and build a ton of trust. Number 2, target prospects with social ads. You already have their emails, so why not take advantage? In addition to uploading emails you have permission to use to audiences' social media platforms, you can add a pixel to your website to retarget those viewers. Using social media, where so many of us spend a lot of our time, to simply stay in people's awareness can help keep your brand top of mind. Number 3, be a news source. Whether you're in the B2B space or directly serving consumers, you can be more than a transaction. You should be more than a transaction. When you understand your buyers, what they need, and what you can help them with, you can become one more source where they find the news related to your niche or industry or products or services. This is where curation helps. You can be the thought leader in your vertical by sharing industry reports, news about your niche, and so much more. Number 4, try new tools in the platforms like live streaming and video. Gosh, I love video. This is the black belt level social media marketing strategy right here, so pay attention. Be an early adopter as a brand. When LinkedIn rolled out video, the B2B brands who took advantage won early influence. But it's not too late. Video from Instagram to Facebook to LinkedIn to YouTube, whoo, there's a lot of platforms, is quickly becoming the standard of reaching an audience. Use video. Even phone video, when done right, for everything from fun videos like I mentioned before to product tutorials, can help you connect with social media audiences or humans. There are many other ways you can use social media marketing at your brand. If you have some fun ways you've used it or you've seen some amazing examples, leave a comment below and share with the community. Now that you know what social media marketing is and why social media marketing is important, make sure you're implementing it for your company's success. Don't forget to subscribe, hit that bell as well for instant notifications, and make sure you're being a happy, helpful human along the way.